Did you have coffee or tea today? If you had, just think about where did the milk in it come from? You may immediately say it came to you from the kitchen. Where did it come to the kitchen from? You may say it was brought to the kitchen from the milk booth. Where did the milk come to the milk booth from? You may suddenly say it came from the dairy. Where did it come to the dairy from? You may say it was collected from the collection centers all over the country. Where did it come to the collection center from? You may say it was brought there by the farmers. Where did the farmers get the milk from? You may say the farmers got it from the cows they tend at home. Where did the cows get the milk from? You may say the mammary glands of the cow produced it, responding to the fodder and the grass that the cow ate. Where did the grass come from? You may again respond saying the grass was produced by the earth, responding to the first rains that fell to the ground. And the question resounds again and again, where did the rain come from? You may laugh at what I am trying to communicate. I'm just trying to say about anything and everything that we enjoy in life, we can say we are protected by infinite links of grace. Grace or free gift from the God or the supernatural is always there in the lives of the people. Take another example of rice that most of Indians eat. Where did the rice come from? Maybe you will refer to your own state. Maybe in the past your state produced enough for your own state's use. But now most of the rice come from certain states like Punjab or Haryana or Andhra Pradesh, etc. Think of the farmers there. Without getting an advance or a booking, a prepaid booking, farmers over there tilled their land, waited for the rain, and at the opportune time, they sowed the seeds. They are not in any way related to us. They are not in any way in connection with us. But they are toiling for our sake. Beforehand, early enough, about anything and everything, we are protected by infinite links of grace. Whatever gift we enjoy in life, whatever privileges we have in life, we are always blessed by these infinite links of grace. As we live our life ordinarily or during the days of the pandemic, let us be reminding ourselves of these infinite links of grace which are always protecting us. With this assurance of a connectedness that we cannot perceive directly, a connectedness that is blessed by infinite links of grace all around us. Let us be consoling ourselves. With this prayer, that one is able to appreciate the infinite links of grace in his or her life. And with that assurance that a person is able to live his or her life in faith, hope, and love. Father Toby Joseph S.J. from Atmamitra, Kaladi. Thank you.